Yeah, I'm Marty Binsmeyer. I am a sustainability enterprise lead at Cargill. So we've been a food company, agriculture company for 157 years. We are now in this bioindustrial space. We've been doing work in bioproducts for decades, but kind of recently created a business organization around the whole bioproducts place, where we've got a lot of different segments that we are serving into. Yeah, I've been here at Greener Manufacturing this year. It's great to have the show in the U.S. this year. We're super proud to be here. What I've really been impressed with is the diversity of exhibitors here and the programming too. I mean, I think as a producer of bioproducts, it's really great to see enthusiasm. It's really great to see different types of exhibitors here, not just competing product providers, but audit companies or service providers. I mean, to me, it says that this whole sector is really taking off, and this is visual proof that that's the case. Yeah, if we can have it back in Georgia, I would love that as a Minnesota native. Anytime I can go someplace warmer, it's great, but definitely plan to come back next year. What I've seen this year, just a lot of excitement about the people here, shows industry momentum. I'm learning a lot by going to the programming, so I'll definitely be back next year.
I'm Brian Miller. I'm a business development manager for Ambro out of Rochester, New York.
So I'm Justin Case, regional sales manager covering the southeast portion of the United States. Yeah. So here, standing at the booth at GMA, we've had pretty good traffic coming through. Got to enjoy some sessions, listen to some speakers, and enjoying the time. Yeah, we're hoping they put on this event again so we can participate.
Hi, I'm Melissa Puhala, Director of Supply Chain Compliance at Fastenal. Excited to be here today to learn from not only our suppliers, but also what we can do for our customers and Fastenal brands.
Awesome. So I'm Nicole Westridge. I am a product compliance manager for our Fastenal brands, and I am here to attend seminars and learn more about the pros and cons of sustainable packaging, and then engage with some of the suppliers here.
Yep, I'm Zach King. I'm the Customer Solutions Manager for the Southeast region. Like they said, I'm here to network and learn about the sustainability programs, all the great products that are out there.
Yeah, we got to see customers here, but also suppliers, and my favorite topic was, well, why is Fastenal here? So it was a great segue conversation for us to showcase. This is what we've been doing for over a decade. How do we take it to the next level? So great networking, and we hope to come back again.
I guess my favorite class would have been the one where they talked about the packaging types and which ones were the worst. I learned that clamshell was the worst, and then they also talked about how to go to more plant-based options and what we could do for the future.
Yeah, we're at the Greener Manufacturing Show. We had a great time. I would encourage other people to participate to learn about this ever-growing industry and need.
Hey, I'm Parker Pruitt. I'm Director of Sales for Green Boom. We're a Georgia-based manufacturer of oil-absorbent products. We are the only one in the world that's made out of 100% bio-based products, all natural agricultural materials, cotton, and we're having a great time here at the Greener Manufacturing Show, learning a lot about a lot of technologies out there, meeting some really, really interesting people from other companies that are in the same sustainability pushes as we are. And yeah, really excited to be a part of this. This is the first one that's been in the United States. The show producers were telling us about it being such a big show in Europe. And I have been really surprised by the quality of people here, the other exhibitors, the presentations, and most importantly, the attendees. We've made some fantastic contacts here, and we are definitely going to be a part of this show next.
I am Sonia Cordina. I am a partner with a firm called Verde Sol. We are solar design build and based out of Charleston, South Carolina.
I'm Keith Freeman. I'm also with Verde Sol. I'm the partner portfolio manager. We're a design build firm, as Simon said, based in Charleston with a project footprint across the U.S.
Brett Sykes with Coastal Solar, Director of Operations. We're based out of Savannah, Georgia, and we partner with Verde Sol warehousing and industrial projects across the U.S.
No, I think what I like most about the show is that it's so focused on sustainability. I mean, everyone here, that's a common goal. And we also, everyone here also realizes that our environment is in crisis, and they're all here looking for new and innovative ways to make it better.
Yeah, from a business standpoint, the lead generation here was pretty incredible. We got probably 6 to 8 solid leads yesterday. More people in and more leads, but 6 to 8 solid leads, proposal leads, and pretty much the same today. Plus, it reminded us how small a world it is, because I bumped into some people that I haven't seen in a while. So very, very lucrative for us to be here.
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely the best show that I've attended in quite some time. Hopefully next year we can continue this, and hopefully in the same location. Looking forward to attending again.
Hi, I'm Andrea Pion with the Davis Companies. I'm the VP of Marketing, and we're having a great time here at the event so far.
My name is Mark Augustinelli with the Davis Companies. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Operations here at the Davis Companies. And we're a national staffing firm with a local presence here in Georgia, but a national staffing firm that's focused on helping manufacturers find the right type of talent. So engineering, manufacturing, and including their IT talent as well.
And we've had a great time at the show here. The team has really made it easy for us to go from setup to be greeting guests right away. The flow has been terrific. The other vendors are really great. We've made some great connections. We've really enjoyed meeting them and understanding their businesses. This has really been an eye-opening experience, and we've had a lot of good walking traffic as well from the folks that are attending and listening to the sessions that have come through. We've also enjoyed some of the speakers. There was a speakers session here in the expo hall, and we've heard some really interesting folks. So we've enjoyed the whole thing, and the food was really good yesterday.
Yes.
Lunch was great.
Yes,
so,
and the networking. I think people can share ideas beyond what their normal core day-to-day is, and I think that's the beauty of getting people with similar thoughts around the industry together. So we've really enjoyed the conversations as well. Okay.
Right, come see us next year. We're looking forward to it already. Mark your calendars as soon as that date comes up, but the Davis Companies will be here again.
We'll be here. See you then.
My name is Destiny Burnell. I'm with TRC, and I lead a territory in Peachtree Corners.
So I'm Curry Watkins, also with TRC. I'm a representative from our professional solutions branch. What we do is kind of a full service agency.
I had a great time, and I look forward to coming back, hopefully, if not next year, earlier than that, and seeing it kind of double in size and what new companies come out of it. So.
I've had a very fun time at the show. Very much looking forward to coming back next year. I know that our leaders, whether that be the governor or congressman, have made a vow to sustainability and green energy within Georgia. Everything from EV plants to solar paneling has been a fantastic industry to bring to Georgia, and clearly it's kind of shown here that we're all in it for the common good. Look forward to doubling in size as most of these companies that are already here have done over the past couple of years. So love to be able to provide for the future and for the companies that are willing to invest in.
Chris Knapp, Vice President of Sales, Demand Driven Technologies.
Victor Hart, Account Executive, Demand Driven Technologies.
David Hunt, Enterprise Accounts, Demand Driven Technologies.
Absolutely excited to be here at the Greener Manufacturing Show. Proud to be at the inaugural event. We definitely will be coming back. Twofold rationale. We were both speakers and exhibitors. We had a lot of fantastic speakers. Got to see our CEO Eric Bush talk about waste in the supply chain. And at the booth, had a lot of great people coming by looking to see how they can improve their systems.
Had an awesome time here at the Greener Manufacturing Show. So many people coming by the booth, helping us out with our simulation, filling out some random demand data so we can show, without relying on any forecast or knowing what's coming, how effectively we can manage that and how they can effectively manage their supply chains.
Phil, but I will tell you one thing that I noticed about this show that isn't always at all of them. The clientele or the person who came here to talk to me and the mixture of the companies that were here matched very well. There was also a very informed spectator that came here to talk to us. We were very impressed with the quality of not only the vendors, but the people who attended.